something big is happening. No, nothing is also Hey, good morning. How's it going, everybody? My God, well, it's been some time since I vlog. I'm still waking up early, and it's third quarter, which means so be honest, you don't have much time. You don't have much time. In fact, by now, that's what I think. I think I know that was not in the episode that could be anything. But by now, I did a silly thing. I 100 subscribers. What a silly thing. No more but to make the greatest vlog ever. 100 subscribers, and I got 100 subscribers. Which is amazing that I will go this far. Now I'm here. We'll see. We'll get there one day. But anyway, let's go get some workout done. Wow. See that? Hey, focus. There we go. See that? Right? Am I right? I do. Min rigtig flisige så kønner virkelig. Næsten noget utsimod. Så det er der simpelthen nok på at gøre der er det. Mange næsten træner til at tage fitness i så mange lande. Træner så alt til der. Jo. Og på slutet kunne så rejse efter. Yo. Now that's a lot of bikes. That was a great workout session. Now I can say, is it gonna bang it up? Yeah, is it gonna bang it up? Because after so much journey. But also, and allow me to elaborate on that. Here's what I mean. It doesn't really make sense. Which is precious, not just for him, but for people in general. Articulate, and I really appreciate that. If you're in Shanghai, Leonard Olsen, I'm happy to show you around. If you stay tuned. But what is happening around here? And if I may elaborate, that's when it becomes information overload. You could just go outside and see. It's kind of an information overload. But if you're in Bangladesh, Machu Picchu, then I'm happy to show you around. But I'm if you can afford to watch on YouTube, I'm honored to show you around. If you're in Shanghai, YouTube I'm really happy to show you around. I look like Picciotto, the Pokemon. That would do. And another, if I can elaborate again, something big is happening. Now, nothing is also, trying to collect information. We're starting our own podcasts. That I can put up Apple Podcasts. Stitcher. Apple Podcasts. iPhone in order to that. I mean, Android, Android. In the world, basically. Android it's all my 50-50 modern but iPhone but Stitcher platform I'm basically losing 50% potential listeners. Creativity and success. Not just creativity, so because like that much talent. If you combine that with success, you have a powerhouse. Podcast it's gonna save you time. Instead for YouTube you get to listen to it. Just listen. And it's gonna save you time. You're gonna get some value, motivation, inspiration. Podcast podcast to me, but if you like, you can subscribe. Juaansi's podcast, we are podcast good. You can subscribe. Download the show and you get to listen to whenever you like. So that's the big announcement. I got an actual job, and I will see you in a little bit. Oh, very long day. Kiisami free. How unfortunate is that? Fitness kiel. Like, it doesn't really make sense as a marketing. Don't be out up. You see this it, and it's a good idea. You have to be first. Would it be so down? Like, look at the size of that. Go back at the cribbo. But what a day. What a day. Facebook I'm just gonna say it right here too. Because I got my podcast and video I don't have that can record infinite. Cirka 12 til 15 minutter. Så 4 gigabyte er ikke i musicinami. Podcast det plejer at være cirka 45 minutter. I'll figure that out. The lesson of the day. The lesson of the day is don't give up. I know it looks bad in the start. Podcast but there's a lot of but I'm just gonna crush it for a year. Mainly I'm committed to do this. Who does he think he is, right? Who does he think he is? What makes him think he's better than us? Basically, everyone's gonna doubt you. But little by little, you're going to establish yourself. In minute, it is that you're for real, that you're not fake, that you're not putting up a front. This imatu sollo kiinarpaderlutit tamakkununga YouTube ikkunuikkussisajortutit inuitikkarpungu that you're real. Taalu oqaartuutit ersaittoq paasinartorlu. People inuit malussaassorussuuppuingami. Whoa, Jesus Christ, I'm yellow. Se inui malussaassorussuuppuingami inuusuttortamu qano. How a little bit of bullshit can ruin your image, your everything. Like they can sense bullshit. And if you're for real, that you're committed, the new saqausuttutit ilumorlutit qamangaanner, but people are gonna listen. I know podcast on the misikku karalnaana tuangittorissuusoq. And sollo qaannittut fitnessgiel.giel. That sounds a little redundant. They had to make a compromise because they were they couldn't get to it. What if you were the first real podcaster? How cool is that? You can grab the early audience. So lesson of the day, they're not going to believe you, but if you stick in long enough, if you don't give up, with time, okay, this guy, he's for real, he cares, he truly cares, then people will come. Vlog tullissaana teqoqqikkumarpuun. My God, tarneqinngittu